Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the widget launcher is installed and up to date. Once done, press the hotkey or click the dock icon to open it. This gets you straight into creation mode. You will pick Create, choose a template that matches your goal, and name the widget so you can find it later. Make sure to select the primary target app or URL now, because that choice defines how the widget will behave when activated. Once the shell is ready, configure how the widget behaves. First, set the trigger. Select Click, Hover a custom hotkey or a scheduled time. Each changes responsiveness. Then adjust size, position, and visibility rules so it appears correctly on multiple displays. Next, add actions by chaining launches, scripts, data widgets, or toggles. This is where you define the sequence of outcomes. As you add actions, test them in preview to verify timing and order before saving. You finish by saving the widget and assigning it to a workspace or folder so it's accessible where you need it. After saving, test the full flow from trigger to final action. Make sure persistence and startup options are set if you want it always available. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by resetting the trigger, checking app permissions, and rebinding hotkeys. Finally, make incremental edits and retest. Small changes reveal where timing or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.